Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful mirror decoration piece at home using waste materials. This is an easy, budget-friendly, and eco-friendly project that you can try for your school project, home decor, or even as a fun DIY activity. We'll be using just a few simple items. A square piece of cardboard cut according to the size of the mirror. A mirror piece that will fit right in the center. Some small rock stones or pebbles. Paints and brushes. Glue. This is a fun and creative way to recycle waste material and turn it into something stylish for your walls. So, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the base. First, take a square piece of cardboard. The size of this cardboard depends on the size of your mirror. Place the mirror piece on the cardboard and make sure it fits well in the center. You want enough cardboard space around the mirror so that we can decorate the sides. This cardboard will act as the base of our wall hanging. Step 2. Fixing the mirror. Now, take your mirror piece and carefully glue it to the center of the cardboard. Apply enough glue so that the mirror sticks firmly and does not move. Press it gently and let it dry for a few minutes. Step 3. Decorating the sides with rock stones. Once the mirror is secure, it's time to decorate the sides. Take your rock stones or pebbles and start placing them around the edges of the mirror. Apply glue on the cardboard surface and fix the stones one by one. This step requires a little patience because you need to make sure the stones are evenly placed and cover all the empty cardboard space around the mirror. Once finished, you'll notice that the rough and natural look of the stones adds a beautiful rustic touch to the decoration. Step 4. Adding paint for a colorful effect. Now that our stones are fixed and dried, it's time to make them look more attractive. Take your paints and brushes and start coloring the stones. You can use any colors of your choice depending on your room's theme or personal preference. For example, you can paint the stones in metallic shades like gold, silver, or bronze to give your wall decor a luxurious look. Or you can go for bright colors like red, blue, and green to add a lively and cheerful vibe. You can also mix colors to give a multicolored effect. Painting the stones not only makes them look more appealing, but also gives the whole piece a polished, finished appearance. Step 5. Final touches. After painting, let everything dry completely. Once it's dry, your DIY mirror wall decoration piece is ready. If you like, you can also add a string or hook at the back of the cardboard so that it can easily be hung on the wall. This wall decor piece looks beautiful in bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, or even in classrooms as a school craft project. The mirror adds brightness, and the painted stones bring a unique artistic touch. Why this DIY is special? The best part about this project is that it is completely budget-friendly. We are using waste materials like cardboard, leftover stones, and small mirrors. Instead of throwing these away, we are recycling them into something creative and useful. This kind of craft is also a great way to improve your creativity and craft skills. Plus, it's a perfect idea for kids' school projects where they can learn how to reuse old materials and design something beautiful out of them. Another advantage is that each piece will look different depending on the stones, mirror, and colors you use. That means your